Hello everyone and welcome to the detailed Essatto product tour. What is Essatto? Essatto is an end-to-end data management solution with 6 integrated functions that allow you to combine data from multiple sources, produce dashboards and reports, produce collaborative and comprehensive multi-user budgets. It makes multi-company consolidations and managing hierarchical reporting easy, and stores all your key information for data analysis securely and centrally in a scalable data warehouse included as part of the solution. Can you currently analyze all your business data, including the data that is not stored in your key operational data sources? Essatto enables you to import data from multiple operational systems. It also enables you to blend your in-house operational data sources with cloud sources like Google Analytics or Mongo, as well as data from Essatto's budget and forecast modules. The data is all stored centrally in a secure and scalable data warehouse that is included as part of the Essatto solution. Essatto is an end-to-end data management solution designed to produce dashboards from multiple sources quickly and easily. Here's a sample that shows analysis that blends multiple data sources. For example, the quote analysis blends accounting data with key metrics captured via the Essatto Excel add-in. Lead conversion compares website hits from Google Analytics versus the number of people visiting our stores. The margin variance and margin summary blend accounting and sales data with budgets produced using Essatto's fast budgets. Why? Because empowering users to analyze all of their business data will get them thinking about their business in new ways, which leads to better business decisions. Do your users frequently need customizations or assistance to get the reports or dashboards they need for data analysis? What if they could do most of their data analysis by themselves? How would it change their ability to improve business decision making? For any use case where you need to group and consolidate data, Essatto hierarchies make the process quick and easy. Examples include multi-company and multi-currency consolidations, transitional reporting during migrations from legacy ERP to new ERP, combining different company charts of accounts for consistent group reporting, and quick and easy management of company account, product, and customer hierarchies. Business data can include thousands of products, customers, accounts, and analytic accounts, potentially with many millions of data points. Many companies do not budget at this level of detail because of the time and effort required. This results in budgets with much less detail and much less business value. A major downside of budgeting at a summary level is that as actual results become available, any variance analysis of actual to budget is not detailed enough to provide quick answers to the questions why. Also, any business-specific factors, seasonality for example, are not considered. Essatto fast budgets can produce budgets with the same comprehensive detail as the actual data without the time and effort required to do it manually. With fast budgets, you can quickly and easily create budgets across multiple scenarios. For example, best case, worst case, and expected budgets. The Essatto team has many years' experience working with customers to help improve their multi-user budgeting and forecasting processes. We often find budget processes are very labour intensive, subject to human errors, and many parts of the process suffer from Keyman risk, where a single person holds all the knowledge. Managing a budget process with multiple users, each with different responsibilities and data security requirements, can be difficult, but Essatto makes it much easier. Being able to run a budget effectively requires user collaboration and the ability to submit, review, and iterate the budget quickly many times till it gets approval. This is difficult for many businesses, and as a result, it may only happen a few times or not at all. Essatto Fast Budgets and Essatto Excel add-in allow customers to make their budget processes simpler, faster, and less prone to error. They help remove Keyman risk and make the budget data more valuable because it has all the detail to better answer questions raised during variance analysis against actual results. Essatto includes extensive security functionality to control access to all Essatto user interfaces and data, including the ability to centrally manage the distribution of reports and dashboards, manage the distribution of Excel add-in worksheets, and manage access to data, some of which may have been imported from multiple data sources. Essatto is not just a BI reporting tool, and it's not just a data connector. Essatto is an end-to-end management solution with 6 integrated functions that allow you to quickly and easily import data from multiple sources, produce dashboards and reports, produce collaborative and comprehensive budgeting and forecasting for multiple users. It makes multi-company consolidations and managing hierarchical reporting easy, and stores all your key information for data analysis centrally and securely in a scalable data warehouse that is included as part of the solution. So thank you for listening, and for more information, please visit us at essatto.com.